The tribals in the Himalayas are source of forest, and the product of forest is the soil and the water. We cannot you cannot remain alive if you don't have air to breathe, water to drink. 3 minutes, 3 days, 3 months. The food that we have, that soil is from the mountain or the tribals. You have revolutions, green, white, and whatever fed you with. What is largely being understood, not understood, is the nation growth measure currently, because unfortunately the policy makers are urban in this country even today. The largest part of the country is rural, and they do not have any contribution in policy making. That's the very important fact. And since they are not the part of policy making, and is the reason because of they are not reflected in most of the policies, their views, their priorities, and that is why this reason why this money, what this rupees is going down. If ultimately we go into, we will find that the true capital of any nation is its resources, and it will last so many decades. If we have lost, it's not the question of rupees that fell, the question of resources that we have. You see, the most of the rivers are dry. Look into the great degraded forest that we have. Ultimately, what is likely to happen after 20 years, the disaster that has hit Uttarakhand may be a different scenario. But the scene which is likely to come tomorrow is that people will be scarce of forest, the water, the soil. I don't know. I can imagine that the coming generation will be cursing this generation that we were serious about a gross domestic kind of a product prosperity, but we have never been serious about the resources. Without such resources, the life is not possible. That's the whole story. If you look into the earth in the beginning and today what the earth shape is currently, it is the human only which adjusted itself. But there is a limit also. You cannot all time adapt without a water. You have 90% of water in your body. How can you adopt your body without a water? So there is a limit, and that limit we should realize, and we should know what the limit is. Adaptation will not work all time, and this is what this disaster is not. It is not kind of a thing which we could not adopt. It washed away everything. Could we adopt it? The change that the climate has hit ultimately to us. It is a climate change phenomenon which has hit the Himalayas. So adaptation is all right, but there is a limit for that, and we cannot go beyond that.